The petty pilfering of stones is one thing, but a much greater crime is about to be committed. Better weather brings in predators. These are skuas. Their speciality is stealing eggs. Each Adelie has only 2 eggs, and a year's investment goes into rearing them. But with skuas on the prowl, one can go in a flash. But not all eggs are quite what they seem. Egg Cam is about to reveal what it's like to be kidnapped. Realising it's not the real thing, Egg Cam is discarded in disgust.